Hi everyone, this is Jamshed Qureshi here, and in this video we will learn how to create a new Angular project using Angular CLI. So one prerequisite for using Angular CLI is that you need to have Node.js installed on your system. To install Node.js, go to nodejs.org and follow the documentation to install Node.js on your system. Once you have it installed, we can go to google.com and simply search for Angular CLI. The first link which we get is the documentation for it. Once we click on it, we go to the documentation for it. Once you have Node installed on your system, you have to install Angular CLI. It is preferred that you install Angular CLI globally on your system. Globally means you don't have to mention Angular CLI in every project that is in the package.json file. So we will try to follow along with the documentation. I have already installed Angular CLI on my system. We can check the version for it. I have installed the latest version for Angular CLI as of now, which is version 15. And let's see what is the next command. So to create a new project for Angular, you have to mention ng new and your project name. So let's do that. I will mention ng new and I will write my name for the new project. Okay, so this will give you prompts to add some options in your project. So the first thing it asks is, would you like to add Angular routing for it? I would say yes. What this option does is it creates a routing module file in your Angular project, which will add the routes array. You can add your routes in this file. A simple single page website, then there's no need to add Angular routing to your application. But if you are creating multiple pages and a complex website, then you need to have Angular routing installed. So I will prefer yes. Then it will ask which style sheet format would you like to use. We can use CSS, we can use SCSS, SAS and LESS. I would go with CSS. So what this will do is it will install all the dependencies and all the required files for the Angular application. So once all of these files are installed, I'll come back and we will continue from there onwards. So we have installed all the dependencies. Let's see what is the next command. Okay, so once we have the project generated, we'll have to move into that folder and type in ngserve. Let's do that. So I will move into my folder and type ngserve. What ngserve does is it compiles your Angular application and runs it on your local host. The default port for hosting it is 4200. So let's go to localhost 4200. And here we have our Angular application hosted on our browser locally. So this is the boilerplate page provided in Angular application initially to get us started. It has links which would help us to learn Angular. We can go through Angular CLI documentation, Angular material and other Angular related links. This is how we have generated Angular project using Angular CLI. If you want to refer to the blog which we have discussed in this video, you can refer to my blog on my website, which is jamshedqureshi.com. And here I have provided the commands and the steps to generate Angular projects using Angular CLI. That's it for this video. If you liked the video, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.